All right, good morning, all of my students. Today is the 26th of March, and this is Distance Learning Day number 3. Welcome to it. My good things today are my daughters, Greta and Georgia. Say hi, boogers. Hi, they are my good things today. I'll move that a little bit so you can see them a little better. Girls, do you want to say hi to my students? Okay, they both say hi. Now, go watch your show. Bye-bye. So, please remember to share your own good things on the attendance form today. That will be shooting out to you at 8 o'clock this morning. I'm making this video about an hour earlier. It's 7:05, and I will send it to you at some point between now and 8. So, for your work today, as you can see, we've got our assignment guide out. Today is Thursday. There's no opener today. Share your good thing on attendance. I would like you to do a reading log entry. I believe this is number 57, and you are writing in response to prompt number 8. Oops. There we go. And that looks like this. Pick one or more quotes from the book, copy them, and discuss their significance to you and or the book. I also put that prompt right here in the assignment guide. In addition to that, today I would like you to read a story on Scope. It is entitled The Great Stink. It is from the latest issue of Scope. I put a link to Scope and the story right here. If it asks you to enter a password when you reach this point, I put the password right here as well. It is mine.8 right there, mine.8. If that link doesn't work, for some reason I kind of think it might not, you can just go to Scope. Oop, let me increase my window here just a second. I'm already logged in, but the web address is, oh crud. The web address is scope.scholastic.com. Scope.scholastic.com. And I'm already logged in, so it's not showing me that, but click on latest issue. And it's in this one, and it's The Great Stink right down here. Your screen might look a little bit different because you're a student. Anyway, that is your assignment for today. Please read that story. I believe you can also get it to play audio for you. Password is mine.8, like I said. And I've sent you 3 assignments on Classroom. They're the close reading assignment, how to use text evidence, and preparing to write applying a quote. They look like this. This one is just advice and instructions and examples of using a quote well and not doing so. Close reading are just obviously questions from the text. And then this one, applying a quote, you're going to be asked to find quotes from the 2 parts of the story. This is one of those paired readings, and about these topics, right? Sanitation needs and challenges, responses to sanitation needs and challenges. So you're looking for evidence from the text and write them as quotes. Next week, I will have you writing about this story, so make sure you do a good job of reading it and completing this assignment. That's about it for today. Your attendance form will shoot out to you at 8 o'clock this morning on Google Classroom. This assignment will also shoot out to you at 8 o'clock this morning on Google Classroom. And you know what? I think I will also send this video to you at 8 o'clock this morning on Google Classroom. So that is all for today. Have a great day. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.